Hello everyone. Today I'm going to say how to creating and interpreting box plot by using SPSS. So let's begin. So to create box plot, first you need to go to the graph here, and here are the box plot. Click here. So as I have several variables, including the water quality parameters, pH, CC, DO, total hardness, and etc. So I'm going to show box plot of different variable in a single graph. So that's why I'm going to check summarize of separate variable. Click define. So as I want to set the box plot of the temperature and DO, I'm going to import temperature and DO into the boxes represented here inside this box. Now just click on OK. So it will automatically give you the box plot, and you can see that this lower line is the lower whisker. Any value below this whisker line is known as outlier, and from here to here, the lower part of this blue area, it covers 25% of the data, and similarly from here to the black middle line, it covers the 25% of the total data, and this middle black line is the median. And from this middle black line to the upper part of this blue area, it covers 25%, and from here to the upper part of the whisker line, it covers 25% data. So altogether, box plot cover 100% of data, and any value above and below this whisker is known as outlier. So in my case, here is only one outlier with value around 6 point maybe 3 or something like that, and the most of the value as you know that the blue area covered 50% of the value, 25% and 25%. So most of the value are ranges from the 4 point maybe 4.9 to 5.4. Similarly, in case of dissolved oxygen, we can see the similar kind of pattern as that of the temperature. So by this way, you can create the box plot. I hope this video is very useful. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.